Concept of governance and its applications in the light of Quran, Sunnah, and Fiqh. 1. Introduction. The Holy Quran describes good governance as the law of justice, a just and principled order and compliance of rights and responsibilities in a society. 2. Those when given authority in land, establish system of salah, give zakah and enjoin what is good, mauruf, and forbid what is wrong, munkar, Quran, Al-Hajj, 22:41. 3. O you who believe, stand up as a witness for Allah in all fairness, and do not let the hatred of people deviate you from justice, adl. Be just, this is closest to piety, Quran, Al-Maidah, 5:8. 2. Fundamentals of good governance. Rules of law, As-Shura. Basic fundamentals of Islamic political system. 2. Shura in Islam is based on the rule of Allah's and Sunnah Muhammad SWT and loyalty to those rules in basis of faith. 3. There should be centrality of consultation in decision-making, that is, the matters should be decided by consultation among people. 4. Consult them in affairs of moment. Then, when you have to take a decision, put the trust in Allah. For Allah loves those who put their trust in Him. Quran, Al-Imran, 3:159. 2. Khilafah. Khalifa is an Arabic word, means successor. 2. A leader should be knowledgeable and honest and should be accountable for his deeds. 3. Prophethood shall remain among you as long as God wills. Then Khilafat on the pattern of prophethood will commence and remain as long as He wills. A corrupt monarchy shall then follow, and it shall remain as long as God wills. There shall then be a oppressive despotism which shall remain as long as God wills. Then once again Khilafat will arise on the principle of prophethood, Masnadamad. 3. The concept of accountability in Islam. Lo, the hearing and the sight and the heart of each of these will be asked, Quran, Bani Israel, 1736. 4. Transparency. O you who believe. When you deal with each other, in transactions involving future obligations in a fixed period of time, reduce them to writing. Let a scribe write down faithfully as between the parties, Quran, Al-Baqarah, beginning of the ayat, 2:282. 2. Transparency is the necessity for openness in all public affairs. Justice. Justice means placing things in their rightful place. 2. Justice in the Islamic governmental system, including social justice, which means that the government should arrange to meet and please the needs of all the people as they have a valid part of the country and citizens of the country. 3. Provision of justice for every citizen regardless of its status in the society or financial condition. 4. God commands justice and fair dealing. Quran, Al-Nahl, 16 hours 90 minutes. Equality in justice, O you who believe. Stand out firmly for justice, as witnesses to Allah, even if it be against yourselves, your parents, and your relatives, or whether it is against the rich or the poor. Quran, Al-Nisa, 4:135. 6. Equity. The individual communities are equal in rights, responsibilities and public duties that will be enjoyed by all without discrimination of race, origin, long measure or belief. 2. Every Muslim, men and women, has the right to obtain both religious and material education. 3. O mankind, your Lord is one and your Father is one. You all descended from Adam, and Adam was created from earth. He is most honored among you in the sight of God, who is most upright. No Arab is superior to a non-Arab, no colored person to a white person, or a white person to a colored person except by taqwa, piety, at Tirmidhi. 4. Basic Islamic values according to Fiqh. 1. All men are created by one and the same eternal God, the supreme Lord of all. 2. All mankind belong to the human race and share equally in the common parentage of Adam, and Eve, Hawa. 3. Allah is just and kind to all His creatures. The whole universe is His dominion and all people are His creatures. For, all people are born equal, in the sense that no one brings any possession with him, and they die equal in the sense that they take back nothing of their worldly belongings. 5. Allah judges every person on the basis of his own merits and according to his own deeds. 6. Allah has discussed on man a title of honor and dignity. 7. Al-Amr bil Mauruf wa Nahyan al-Munkar. I am Mr. Bil Mauruf, ordering for acknowledged virtues, and Nahi anil munkar, forbidding from sin. 2. And there should be a group amongst you who invite towards good, order for acknowledged virtues, forbid from sin, and these it is that are the successful ones. Quran, Al-Imran, 3:104. 8. Islam as a welfare state. Hazrat Umar, R.A., was the first ruler to practically implement this idea. 2. Whether it is a beggar wandering in the streets can bring the performance and integrity of the ruler in question if he thinks that he is not performing according to the teachings of Islam. 9. Appointment of state officials. Government officials are appointed on merit. 2. A system of strict accountability should be in place to monitor their performance. The purpose of governance in Islam, welfare of people is the primary goal of governance in Islam. 3. Conclusion. Get complete notes in PDF and book form from our Amazon store. Link given in description.